What's going on, everybody? So one of my friends wanted me to help him repair his guitar for him. He had some issues with the pickups, the switch, as well as the output jack. And upon further investigation, he had some issues with the bridge being cracked on the inside. So I went ahead and did everything I could to repair what needed to be repaired and cleaned up everything. So here's a little step-by-step of everything that I did. So one of the things I didn't get to record was the change of the pickups. So the pickguard that we had ordered that was fully loaded, it just didn't fit. So the holes were all off. I didn't want to have to drill new holes in this because it's not my guitar. I'm doing it for my friend. And so what I did, I took the pickups off and moved them onto this. But I had to sand down the edges because the pickup covers were a little bit too big to fit in there. And got it sanded down just enough to where they fit perfectly. And then the output jack cover also was a little too big, so I just kept the original but changed it out with the actual output piece and the screws as well. And then on the back side, the plate didn't fit, so I just kept the original. I didn't want to drill holes in this one either, so that's that. But it looks good. And I also got the new knobs and the switch cap on there, so that way it's not all yellowed out and it matches the pickguard or the pickups.